Welcome to this tour of room 12290, an interior stateroom on the aft of deck 12 of Celebrity Xcel. Let's pop on in and take a look. One of the first things you'll notice when you step into the room then is that the lighting is quite subtle. So let's take a look at the thermostat control to start with. Here's the control panel, temperature up and down. You've got the various settings for the lighting and also for the heating as well. You will also notice that there is no slot to put your keycard in, as is often the case on cruises. Lighting here for the bathroom, which we'll take a look at shortly. You've got your pretty standard magnetic signs, deep sleep one side, out exploring on the other. You've then got this vanity mirror and desk, illuminated mirror, switch turns it on and off, and then at this desk there's also a chair for you to sit there and work should you need to, or whatever you want to sit there and do, whether it's putting your makeup on, doing your hair, or whatever. And then you've got the fridge. Opens on the right hand side, which I found quite odd as you walk in the room. I was expecting it to open there, but no, opens on the right hand side. Is empty. There we go. That's the fridge, and then above the fridge, apart from the remote for the TV, you've got this smart little box for all your electrical outlets. So you've got on the left hand side here a European outlet charged at 220 volts. In the middle, these two are both UK and US and charge at 110 volts. And then on the right hand side you've got USB and USB-C, and then you've got these little grooves which keeps all of the cables tidy. A couple of glasses, cute little coral with the room attendant's details on, quite a large size TV which is rather nice, and then drawers. So these each have dividers in, and they are soft close drawers as well. So in the top drawer, which is the shallow one, you've got the in-room breakfast menu, and then a couple of details on art and also Park West Gallery information. So there we go, double-sided. If you need more space, you could take that out and put that somewhere else, maybe under the bed. And then you've got the two deeper drawers. So both again have dividers. They are soft close. And there we go, there's the other one. Pretty identical, those two bottom drawers. And then closet. So at first glance I would say there's probably around 30 hangers in there. Half of them also have the clips, so you can hang up trousers, dresses, whatever you need to as well, and it is full length. And you've also got this, which was useful as well. And then just close that left hand drawer to show you there is a full length mirror which you can use to get ready to go out at night. Hello. Let's move on round. We've got this cute little chaise longue number going on. Nice plumped up cushions. It's a nice place to sit and chill. And directly above that, a nice bit of artwork. And let me move right back, because that's the only way I'm going to fit the bed in, because she is an absolute beast. So let me just walk around this way first of all, because at the front door is the furthest distance from the bed for me to try and get it all in. She is an absolute beast. I cannot wait to climb into that later on. So let's take a look at the bedside cabinets then. They are all open plan. Here we go, just a series of boxes, one on top of the other. Bedside light, no charger there or electrical power. However, on this side you have got US outlet. The switch to the left of that is the main switch for all of the lights. You've also got a USB and a USB-C fast charge outlet as well, which is very super useful for charging your phone when you're in bed. And then in-room phone. The only buttons you've got on there are for the room attendants, guest relations, and also for messages. And on this side you've got 2 boxes rather than 3. And then to the right of the bed, as you're facing it, is another closet, and this has got shelves in it. So you've got beach towels which you can take ashore with you. There's a Wi-Fi router at the top there as well, so that means you should get some decent signal. And then you've got the shelving, there's a laundry bag, and I know people always want to see the up-to-date list, so let me just show you this. This is the washing, dry cleaning and pressing, and all the prices. And then you've got safe, very small safe, and then you've got a number of drawers. Again, fairly deep. These are all exactly the same depth. So there we go. That is that closet. And let's nip on into the bathroom. Now, the first thing that I like about this is that it is this marble effect everywhere. So just start with the basic stuff. You've got the toilet / WC there. Trash can is built into the shelf to save floor space and to stop it getting, save it getting wet. The hairdryer is under there as well. Above that you've got some face towels or flannels, whatever you want to call them, some tissues, a shower cap and some body lotion, a couple more glasses and some shelves for storage. You've got the hand towels on the rail there. Decent sized mirror, hello, illuminated for you, and also decent sized sink as well. And then under the sink is where you'll find the bath towels. So let's pop on into the shower then. So pretty standard shower head with your controls for water pressure and temperature. And then you've got the Celebrity branded Shine products. You've got shower gel, shampoo and conditioner there. You've got a basket if you've got a shower scrunchie, for example, or you bring your own toiletries with you. You've got a footrest there and also a handle should you need it. And then there are also a couple of hooks in here as well. Let me just back out and then back into the main area, and let's take one final view of the bed because she is a beauty. I've been on a lot of cruises recently, so do check out Wonder of the Seas, Norwegian Prima, Norwegian Joy, Norwegian Bliss, along with a whole back catalogue. So do consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're the first to be notified when new content drops. If you've enjoyed this video, then do give me a thumbs up. And until the next upload, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.